Okay, you guys, I am in Marshall's to mind my hands because they're hella dry. Just got off work and they're bringing out all the perfume. Yeah, no, it's for the holiday season. It's here. Let's see. Oh gosh, no price on it. Can't find one. We put it back. We have this one and this set. This set over here is gonna be a little larger. It might come with the lotion. Let me turn it around. Oh, here we go. Okay, it looks like Banana Republic. There was no price on those. Those are 20. Dolce is 40. Okay, a lot of Tommy Girl, which is like so good. I think Tommy Girl is like a classic. I did give it to my daughter last year. Versace 35. Okay, I'm trying to look for the new stuff. It only might be that. Oh, that's Sarah Jessica Parker. A lot of Abercrombie. Okay, it might be the same. Oh yeah, and everything's a messed up here. So we have grapefruit. These are $5.99. Kenzie, Eternity. Let's see. I don't know what these are, but I've seen these before. $9. We also have another one. Derek Lamb. I don't know, you guys. I can't read that. Body spray Kate Spade. These are 10. Kim Kardashian. Look at that little tiny one. It could be like a little tiny mini brand. $5.99. Here's Walk on Air. That is 10 as well. And the rest is BB. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was Good Girl. I just saw the back. I'm like, oh my god, Good Girl's here. Normally it's like $59. But that's Dahlia. We've seen her. Delta Burke. These look so comfy. These are $15. Calvin Klein is $15. Plenty of pajamas. Okay, so it looks like they have 3X today. So they're $13. They're like little doggy ones with a little candy cane. They have a Christmas tree print. One with Santas. And we have like a little pumpkin. There's you know, the kid. I'm kind of tired of looking at stuff with his face on it. Okay, here's the Calvin Klein robe. Retails for $72, but how much are you? $25 here. Gold lettering. This is Calvin Klein with the blue. These are really soft. So on the front it just says Calvin Klein. And it comes in white. I see a lot of food, like gift food. A lot of food today. Ghirardelli, these are $7. You have assortment, holiday, like mint, caramel, and Coke, dark chocolate, coffee break, Queen. And there's some milk, chocolate. So tempting to just to grab one, right? But we don't need it. You have to tell ourselves we don't need it. What is this one? A luxury chocolate. These are 10. Already has it in a bow. And the gummies, lots of gummies. World's Best Tasting Gummies. They come in a gnome bag too, and a cute doggy one. They're all gonna be like the same. I don't think I've tried this brand, but they're $8. Baklava. We have the vanilla 4E, and the tints are always gonna be my favorite. I just love them for $8. Look at this. Let me grab it for you. Hold on. Ain't that so cute? These are $5. We have milk, chocolate, hot cocoa. They even have peppermint. Look at the cow. He's just hanging around. Having a good old time. Hot cocoa, peppermint for $4.79. That's from Starbucks. Want a bag of marshmallows. cocoa bombs. Comes with marshmallows and peppermint crunch. These are $4. You know, you could just take like a rolling pin and candy canes and double it up on the bag and crush them. These are $4. Harry and David. Ooh, you know what? The cherries were not bad, but I don't think I ever tried the blueberry. Normally, we get a tower sent to us and the guy like fills it up, but I never tried the blueberry. Dark chocolate truffles. They have milk chocolate, so this is like a good gift too. Harry and David. Ooh, especially if you get the pears. Oh my gosh. 15. You know what? I cannot get into this. $4. The nougat. My father-in-law is all about the nougat. This one's raspberry. And one with almonds. Look at that. By Jelly Belly. These are $4. Pomegranate Cosmo. They're all going to be $4. Pina Colada. Just think of that song, right? Blood Orange Margarita. This is Skinny Mixes. More Pina.
Who knew that song was about a couple cheating with each other?
Right? Passion Fruit. $4. Oh, look at this. They have a unicorn flavor burst. Jelly Belly Mojito. Ooh, I love a good mojito. Yeah. And don't forget about the Moose Munch popcorn. These are kind of tiny, but these will make great stocking stuffers as well. $3. These are so stinking cute. So we have Santa. You get 4 of their glass, and I believe they're $10. And the snowman, I love that. And you know what? You could even put the LED light in there, or maybe some fairy lights, you know, put it around like your place. You don't have to use it as glassware, but I like this. 17 by Rachel Zoe for the pearl tree. And these little trees down here, these are $5. It has some pink in there. So it looks like it's pretty much the same. I was just in here not that long ago. I like these white ones. Those are really, really cute. Let me get to it. Let's see, by 34th and Pine, this is going to be $25. Like this one. One is $25. $25. Let's see, I spotted something over here. These are $15. They've done Believe and Merry Christmas photo frames for $13. Those are $7. Here's a little beaded runner. I haven't seen much runners here. I'm gonna have to go to Home Goods. Yeah. These are by Martha for $35. And they added quite a few throws today. So 17, so oversized. You have like Santa dancing. Let me see. I'm trying to zoom out. Hold on. Hold on. Oh no. Not working. Oh gosh. There we go. I kept tapping the button. I'm like, zoom out. Okay, here's this one. And then Peace on Earth for $17. They have this really nice green one too. This one's by Vince Camuto for $20. And then dogs are $17 for the dogs. And these are $20. $17. That's a nice pink, you guys. And I spotted this over here. It's gonna be $300. Ooh, I love it. I love this. I like how large it is too. Let's see, for your back. They also have it in blue. It's kind of cute. I love the red and white. It's just giving me such cabin vibes, you know, like that Christmas card, you know, where they're like, we're so perfect, or in front of our cabin with snow. You know, that perfect family one, $20.
And after the picture is taken, they tear each other apart because they hate each other.
And these knitted pillows are kind of cool. They're like a little long. They're by Isaac for $17. This has a little gold shimmer in it for $25. I love how they incorporated Hanukkah for your doggy. Little Hanukkah dog. Look, they even have a dinosaur. These are 4s. Do these light up? They're vanilla scented. Oh yeah, they squeak, but you really, really have to press it to get it to squeak, because I would skip out on the squeaking. Yeah, no squeaking for me. So $80 by Columbia if you are going up to the snowboarding. This is actually a pretty good find. Normally, you know, those are like hella expensive. These are just gray sweatpants. These are $15 by New Balance. Some coats for children, a $20. Look at that one for $20. Got the fur hood. A little Ralph Lauren one for a little boy. Let me see. Let's see, for $40. Oh, this is so adorable. I find children's clothing more adorable. I like that. See, these are $25. Just gonna kind of go through the clothing a little bit. Not much going on in Marshall's. I was hoping to find a lot of like Christmas stuff. You know, I'll swing back to the kitchen. Olive and Oak. This is $20. This green one we've seen before. This is by Kendall and Kylie for $20. And Klein. Okay, look at the sleeve. This is $20. Retails for $79. Adriana. Okay. Retails for $79, but $24 here. This one's a little different for $25. By Nick and Nash. Look at, you got that bling sheer sleeve. A lot of floral. Even I just went through the plus size and it's a lot of floral and patterns like this. $17. So if you're into that, there's plenty here in Marshall's. I'm gonna get to this thing. Just let's see, what is it? 17. This is 20. And then let's see, it's getting busy in here. Fall feels. Okay, you know that is Ray Dunn. And then let me get this one. This one's 20. Oh, just like that green one. 25. It's gonna be a cardigan. Let me pull this one out for $10 by Electrica. That's what it says. That's cute. I like how they pair that up with it. They put this top over it. That's cute. A little pleather skirt. You need your faux leather cargo pants. They do have them for $20. Kind of have like a tiger print. That's $10. $25. It's a long cardigan, 2 pockets right in the front. So I found these for $20. That's Merry Christmas. And they have like Fa La La. That's kind of cool. And this one you get the cutters, roller, spoon, Santa. Oh look, you guys, this is cute. It's the bake shop. It has like that sweater vibe. There's a lot of Ray Dunn in here. Hold on. Okay, I want to get to the batter bowls real quick. These are 15, so they're all 15. And this one has like the penguin. I'm not gonna pull that out. Here's one down here. That's kind of cute.
Okay.
So 17 for Santa's elf. I had to move because this lady had a whole cart full of Ray Dunn. And I'm like, oh gosh, there's tons of Ray Dunn, but she bought most of them. What is that? Oh, that looks so yummy. Honey of Disney, and you do get the little plushie for $13. And everything else looks the same. Okay, just a few new items, you guys. Today in home, I'm not in Home Goods, I'm in Marshall's. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We had such a busy week. Let's see, I'm doing overtime in work. So I'm all like, my mind is really scattered brain right now. Let's see. I think this might do it, you guys. Yeah. Alright, you guys, tons of Anchor hawking. And you know, they're so inexpensive. You get 3 for $10. You can't beat that. And Anchor hawking is made in the USA, of course. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on these walkthroughs. They're kind of casual right now, you know. Just gotta go with the flow. Need a little snack container for your snack. $3. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Those are so nice. The oil and vinegar set is $5.99. These large mason jars. Looks like, how much are they? They're $5.99, which is like so not bad. $5.99. You want to put your rice in there, your oats. Here's this large one for $10. Can you believe only one is $10? You would think that would be like $15. Ooh, I love it. There's a little tiny one. Looks like $2.